Sorry. Time check, it's 6 o'clock. Time to board. 4 hours, 16. Are you excited? Excited? Hey! Excited? Very excited?
Siyempre.
Okay, that's the Bangkok boarding time.
Hey,
Hey, you're here. Our
Cable car.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sige, solo ko picture mo ah.
Okay. Here we are inside the cable car. Woo! Ay, mas pari ko ata yung view kay Likan. Patay na ako.
Batang pababa.
Oh, sige.
Hey.
Kaya nga yung excited.
Siyempre.
Woo!
Kailangan kalnanan eh.
Ay, mas buri ko kini ba nga kakit ko?
O di magsipin ka kang malago.
Okay mo, ikagagalo-kulot ah. Sana manakpot na. Kita, dusog ka.
Hindi mo kayo nakagagalo.
Buri ko nga kakitin. Oh, nice! Cute! Hanan kayo pang video. Okay. Wow, look at the view. Nice.
Hindi kaya may kaisip ka niyan?
Big something.
Hindi kaya may kaisip ka niyan?
Nice. You know, it's an 8-meter going on top of the Sulphur Mountain.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Nakakaroon din.
Oo, makatakot eh.
Open eh. Dali mo na eh. Kasi slow yan. Bala mo Ferris wheel yan.
Eh, picture mo kayo cellphone. Mabilis
Okay.
yes. Mabilis.
Look at ang river thing oh. Ang river oh. Eh, ito. Dinrive damo. Ate ko, look at the view oh. Should I naking kay? Oh. Nice. We're closer to the top. We're going to the ride this time. So we'll have 1 hour to stay here.
Yesterday. Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Wala, tara! Woo! Very wala. It's cold here. I'm just wearing shorts. Okay na to, Ting.
Kaya dito yung magandang view. Walang ka-around. Dito. Walang ka-around. Mga dyan na lang. Yan o, picture kita dyan. Walang ka-around. 哎，我们现在就走到那边去吧。因为我。Look at that.
Yes, yes.
Ah, really?
I can say no.
$360. so windy here. Ay, I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Ay, buriki yata ito.
Okay.
On this side, we only have limited time, so we cannot hike there. Maybe next time we can do that. Because Carson and Glenford are waiting for us. So we have to come down on time. Because our boarding, our time to go down is 7:10. Now boarding for 6:40. So we still have, I could have 20 more minutes here. Oh, ayali, kining pang boarding. Pa mag-board na la. Tara, tara, mag-board na la din.
Ay, lawin mo. Atas.
Yeah.
Ay mo, wala mo kukuha na ano lang kukuha ng kaluluwa.
Ah, Kenny Pino.
Alam ko ng kalalawa. Alam na mo? Oo. Medyo, may itong
Boarding time palaki.
Okay. Everything looks perfect. Wow. That's the top of the Sulphur Mountain, but we don't have time to hike there. Because we only have 20 minutes left. Yeah. Another 360-degree shots. Okay. Hey, sister. There. Hi, honey. Shout out sa'yo and to Carson. Look at the view on top. Oh, so believable. Nice. And that's the top of the Sulphur Mountain. What's going on in this side? See, this is the keyboard. There we go. Ooh, look at that gondola. It's the view. There's a lovely bird here. Snapchat, the souvenir shop. Bye. Lovely here. Yay! Cheese!
Inay,
Why?
itang kahitang po. Alam mo, picture ya, ikaraptan mo.
Which one?
Alam mo,
I wanna.
picture mo ko.
Sige, sige.
Sabi lang mo, security guard.
Nice.
Diba?
Ah. Okay. What can you say about this gondola ride?
Perfect.
Wow. So what is your top one kaning to all the activities that we've done? Okay, top one kaning gondola.
Tapos itang glacier.
Oh, okay. Because yesterday, the Glacier was the top one. So now,
Oh, ngayon.
the Silver Mountain.
Back to the gondola.
Yeah, the gondola ride. Because it was fun.
Gondola. Nang-house ba ka rin second time? Cable ka.
Yeah.
Number 1 yung team.
Yep, yep.
Tapos itang glacier.
Yeah. Okay. You are leaving Bang Isle, so please proceed with caution at your own risk or at our own risk na kayo. Okay, so this is the view. Huh? Yeah, get this side. Yeah. Sige. Ali, nag-video ako ng Dinkin eh.
Ayos. Hindi ako tingnan.
Okay.
Tapos mag-video.
Okay. Boarding time 7 o'clock. Ours is 7:10. So 10 more minutes. Yeah.
17.
Our boarding time for 7. Are you camera ready?
Hindi ka.
Nice. Ako lumaway na
Mamayad ka kanita.
Oo,
Okay.
sigurado tilang abedo king kay deta deng.
Okay. Pandagdag.
Wow, extra na rin.
Eh, buli ko pambaba, pero bakit? Balak man
That's
na
the-
ako.
Oh, that's the hiking trail.
Masang tingin.
Nice. Sabi na yun ako mag-picture na naman.
Ayan, no, yung
Pero,
nung kiniga, itang,
Ooh,
makatakot.
may isa ka view pa ito. Lakon na ako.
Di ka panghikit kung may tapyan. Pero
Baka
kanataong
namin.
ka, may tapyan.
Takay dyan po. Gagawa yan nga naman.
ano yung
Kaya pwede nga gawa.
gamot sa bukol, meron ka?
Ay, naroy, dito ang ating castle. Kayong vibe na yun ba ito?
Taytang Cascade, Taytang
binigyan.
Cascade Garden.
Ban.
Oh, 15 minutes siya. Ay, 10 minutes tamo, di ba? Hindi. Nice.
Wow! Alam mo kayong pero paglakad tamo. Pababa. Malwat. Pila na oras?
Ay, malo, ate nga. Ilang oras mo naman.
Ilang oras?
Kaya pa tayo
Ay,
nakakita
ano
ng
pa
dalan?
daw rin dalan, ting. Tapos dudurot ka pa kasi kaya lulumba.
Ah! Ay!
Akit tayo nung kanya makapark kanyan di koyo. Kita, di ba? Tsaka kita, oh.
Kahit ang kay Hot Spring.
Eh kayo mga lambot.
Hindi.
Gustong pababa. Ang malinyo ko
Ayun ako yun, yung dalan din.
Ayun na, that's the trail.
Oo, itang mababang ba kayan pero itang king ka.
Sabi ko ang mo, hilim wag yun yan ako. Ita. Ni Carson, kasi po to kay...
Mag-slide la rin, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Kasi blam good for 2 person yan. Alayang trail kalupanitang ken Johnston Canyon. Ano
Wala
ko
mo
ba?
rin ang tini, ken lang lapag. Kasi manakik mong tini. Reta mong malapa, king pakatas. O, tini, daratang. 6. Ba, kalahod ba ning bilang. Bala mo rin sasaki. O, kukutang dam. Pilang kayo, 4, 3.
Ayan,
Ang
balo
balo
din
da.
natin. Nung pinunta mo sa kayo. Kaya talaga ang picture nung pinit. Yan po, ang big activity ka. Picturean daw ang yung babo mo.
Okay, this is a video.
Video?
Yeah. Hi Leah! Shout out sa'yo!
Kaya kaming kay
Love you!
Dakar.
Cleo!
Kayo.
Carson! Hane! Bye-bye! Tingnan mo.
Picturean nyo lo. Picturean nyo lang.
Hane! Carson! Carson! Fully shots!
Asyat ko lang ulit ha. Makalawin lang.
Hey,
Kaya may
bye!
pakat.
Carson is patiently waiting for us because he cannot ride the gondola.
Nakita ko yung picture ni Carson po. Alin pa
Yeah.
na nakita babo.
Nice. Okay, wait. for our dinner. Okay, so we are here in one of the Japanese restaurants in
Magkano yung minimum case?
After the dining.
Stamp.
Yeah, I don't know. What's the name of this restaurant, Kulot?
Okay, Japanese.
I know it's Japanese restaurant, but what's the name?
Delu.
Huh? Oh, Hello Sunshine. Hello Sunshine Restaurant. Thanks. Carson. Carson. Where? I don't know. Car. Our orders here. Mine is chicken ramen. Honey. Pork tonkatsu ramen. And we're just waiting for Adam. Sandy's ordered for her miso soup. And the sushi. Then Karasoy will just wait for us. Bye, Bev! See you next time! Bye, Bev!
Oh, ilaw pa.
Ay, balo ko nanunungan naman.
Bila lang tatawid, pero wala akong stop yun.
Yeah, babe.
Kasi, kahit di yan.
That's their night.
Wala kang nakapala mag-picture.
Saan?
Ay,
Oo, kaya
Yung
tawarin
guy.
ko. Yan naman talaga yung spot eh, ini eh. Hi! Miss you.
Kaya ba?
Eh, hindi lang mo ni. Tune na akin eh.
Eh, ganyan ako magkay eh.
Morning, Canmore. Canmore's doing his business. Okay. Okay.
Enter na.
I think there na eh. Kaya mismo hayan eh.
Turn right, then turn right.
Kasi
Sarado yun.
sarado yun eh. Sa katang kaya.
walang tao.
Sa ating misa. Siguro itang mong mabilisin na misa itang alang choir. Bisan diba itang kaya. So, yung website ating 8:30 minutes. Grabe. Ay, dam, matiming data mo.
Mukhang yaking harap yung gaya entrance.
Ay, kanyarap yung entrance siguro. Pero mag-park na ka kayo ni anywhere. Oo. Pwede bang entrance? Hindi yata yung entrance. Ne.
Tapos lang.
Oo. Kaya pustahan namin. Oo, ayan. We're here at Our Lady of the Canadian Rockies.
You have arrived.
This is what it looks like. Okay, bye. Thank you, Lord. This is our last day here in Canmore.
Simbahan net, sa liya pa simbahan king Pilipin. Wala mo din mo net yung sabi.
Thank you,
Sobrang
Lord.
nagdagulita. Ay, kung nagdagulita na
Okay. This is itinerary for today. This is our last day. Go to church, attend mass, and eat breakfast, and we'll check out. Lastly, we'll head home. And find a bed.
May katakot ako, hangit.
Yung pangsakay na yun. Last na yun eh. So, today is July the 4th. And it's our last big breakfast here in our hotel. Get my breakfast. Whoa, Carson. Yeah, that's the inside. Okay, that's the view of our breakfast area. Okay. Our driver, you eat well, na?
Saan bacon?
Tabi kong dito. Transport.
Okay, that's the area. Okay, Carson Bro. Tara, let's go for a walk. Oh, sige. I-walk mo yung pa Carson. Okay. We're just finished our breakfast. Now we are walking to Carson. I hope it gets tired. So we will sleep the entire trip. That's the view. Miss Canada. We had a nice and comfortable stay here for 5 minutes, 60. Canadian Tire. Almost Canadian Tire. Party time car. Time check, it's 10 a.m. Okay, time check, it's 11:05. And we're going
Okay na?
back to Winnipeg. Yes, okay. But first, we'll... Neng, sapatos mo!
Yan yun.
Tabali, makasapatos mo siya. Okay, so we're going back to Winnipeg. Time check, it's 11:05.
Are you ready ka, bebe?
Are you ready, Carson? You be a good boy the entire trip. Ready? But we're gonna have a gas. So we're gonna go to the gasoline station first. Okay, I think there. Oh, thank Carson, Kulot, Honey, me. So the attendance is good. I'll check.
Estimated
Okay.
time. Alright.
So estimated time arrival is we don't know. We know it's Saturday morning. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Goodbye, Kenny.
Dami yung mga puwet.
Okay, for another 14-hour drive, but we don't know because we're gonna have lots of stopover in Egar. Estimated time of arrival, we don't know, but it's gonna be for sure Saturday morning. 2 a.m. Okay, we'll see. 2 a.m. kind of estimated time of arrival.
Kaya dapat 10,000 kung
Okay.
medyo malaylay yung...
Why don't we make it 20 na?
Turn left.
Okay, first stopover somewhere in Alberta. I don't know where is this area. I don't know what it's called. We are here by M&R Gas. Okay, Carson is it's party time for Carson. Okay, second stop. Second gas station somewhere in Alberta again. Okay. Okay, we are here. Ah, look at those puppy.
kumain kita.
Ganda. Okay, we're here by the gas station in Radcliffe, Alberta. Quick coffee break. So 10 hours and
Matunay ka po tadi
30 minutes to go. Okay, third stop over here in Saskatchewan, Swift Current, Tim Hortons. They were sleeping in. Okay, we're having Tim Hortons. We're having Tim Hortons. We're having Tim's. Yeah. Okay. Time check at 6:10. We're still here, Saskatchewan, Swift Current. Our third stopover. Carson has donuts. Old-fashioned donut. 2 old-fashioned donuts. Okay, so we still have 8 hours. 8 more hours to go before Winnipeg. 5 hours and 55 minutes. Hello! Okay, so time check, it's 9:10. Our 4th stopover is here in Emerald, Saskatchewan. Okay, let's go! Party time! Party time! Carson! Carson! Carson, come! Party time! Party time! Party time! Party time! Party time! Party time! Party time. Okay. Just had a quick dinner at DQ. Yeah. Still in Emerald, Saskatchewan. Time check is 5:36 a.m. We're back in Winnipeg. We just wrap up this end. Our last stop over earlier was in Brandon gas station. We had tips. Okay, so that's a wrap. We're back safe.